Hello guys, today I'm making a special dinner for this special Valentine Day for my hubby. Today I'm making rice paella. This is the mussels. I'm using mussels seafood. This is the king prawns. I'm using king prawns. This is my chicken chopped up. That is my lemon to be garnished. That is my sweet pepper and green chili pepper. That is my chopped tomatoes and my puree tomatoes. That is my sauces that I'm gonna be using, spices, to make it tasty and yummy. That is my saffron. I'm gonna be using saffron. Saffron is a particular spice, or it's not a herb, it's a spice, where I'm gonna tip hot water in there. The color will go yellow. That's what I'm using to cook the rice. Saffron is very healthy as well, very healthy. That is my chopped onions, garlic, and ginger. And that is the paella rice. Is a special green rice to cook this paella. Okay? When you cook paella, people use different meats. They put fish. You can use chorizo. You can use dry pork. But this is what I'm using today. This is just what I want inside my paella. Chicken, chopped up chicken breast. My king prawn again. And my mussels. You can put squid. I couldn't see squid to buy when I went to do shopping on Friday. So if I put fish, he doesn't eat fish. So I have to, because I'm pleasing him today. So yeah. So guys, I want to start doing my paella rice now. So I'm going to tip in my oil. Okay? Tip in my oil. Then put in my onions, my fried onions. Onions, garlic, ginger, all goes together, okay? So I'm frying my chicken. I'll tip in my prawns. My king prawn will go in there. In this paella rice, you can put any meat you like. Pork, chorizo. I don't like chorizo. I don't like dry pork, So this is what I prefer. You can put squid. Yeah, you can put oyster. Any seafood. So now I'm going to get them out. After frying them, I'll put them aside and do the rest bits, okay? Put them aside and do the rest bits. So now putting back the onions, refrying it again. So I'm gonna tip in my tomatoes. It's like a version of Nigerian cooking jollof rice. So I'm gonna tip in all the spices I want: turmeric, curry powder, cinnamon, nutmeg. I'm putting nutmeg. That's what I fancy. Okay. Then I'm gonna put in my saffron. That is my saffron. So I'm gonna feed it. I'm gonna feed my saffron water. Okay? Sieve it inside the stew. Can you see it? Look at the color. It's like turmeric color. Look at my saffron. So saffron goes in there. Okay. So now I'm gonna wash my rice. I will allow it to boil first for 10 minutes before I put in my rice, okay? But before I put in my rice, I'll put in my fresh thyme. So now, it has cooked for about 10-12 minutes, so I'm gonna tip in my rice, okay? My rice is gonna go in there. My special paella rice. It's a special rice. When you go to the supermarket, you look for it. It is written paella rice. Okay? So I'm gonna turn it once and I'll not turn it again. Then I will let the rice cook for some time before I put in my mussels. It's like the way you cook your jollof rice, you know. So guys, my paella rice has been cooking like we normally cook our jollof rice. So right now, I'm gonna start putting in the seafood that I've fried a little bit so that they can all bang together and cook properly. So that is the paella rice for my Valentine's dinner. Woo! Yummy, yummy. Ooh-hoo-hoo. Ooh-hoo-hoo. So firstly, I'm gonna start putting in the mussels. The mussels. Yeah, the mussels. Just arrange it, yeah. Dig them in. Dig them in. I'm gonna arrange the mussels. My paella rice is popping up. Okay, I just put in the mussels now. So I'm gonna be putting in the chicken, the prawns, everything gonna go in there. Right? This is Valentine special. Valentine special. Special paella rice. Can you see how it's popping up? It's popping, guys. Look at my paella rice, guys. It's popping up. Popping, 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 popping. The paella rice is popping, guys. Popping, popping. Look at it. My paella rice is popping. You know? So I'm gonna just drizzle this on top and cover them to cook. Okay? It's very easy to cook, guys. It's like you cook Nigerian jollof rice. That is how you are gonna be cooking this paella rice. The only thing is you use seafood. Guys, it's popping. It's popping. Look at it. It's popping. Love is in the air. I'm gonna cover it and let it cook. That is my paella rice. It's ready to be served. Ready. Look at it. Paella rice is almost like ekpoma rice, but it's not like ekpoma rice. Look at my paella rice, guys. It's ready. It's popping. It's popping up. So what I'm gonna do now is to just garnish it with this lovely, yummy parsley leaf on top. Okay? Parsley leaf on top. Garnish it with parsley leaf. Can you see that? Can you see it? Oh, this is lovely with white wine, guys. This is beautiful. So you just garnish it. Put some lemon. So you just garnish it. This is how you garnish it. My paella rice. Look at it. Look at that. You just garnish it with parsley, fresh parsley, and fresh lime. It's served with fresh lime, guys. Look at it. Look at that. Ooh. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. It is beautiful, man.